Initial cost for BILT, it seemed expensive for us. We were a small company, and fortunately, we decided to take the lead because we had a grand scale. We had an idea of what we wanted our business to look like, so that end goal was in mind, and we knew in order to hit that target, we had to do it. In hindsight now, I would say that number is completely irrelevant. It is not part of the decision factor. It's actually a decision that if you don't make, it's a wrong one. Right? Not only is it wrong for you in growth, wrong for you in scale, but incorrect for your customer base. And that's really the most important outside of your employees, period. Right? It brings the stress down. When employees are dealing with frustrated customers every single day, nonstop, it becomes a place that you don't want to work. So whatever you can do to minimize those frustrating phone calls for your employees, it's super healthy to keep the excitement, keep the quality feel, to really help you step into the next level. It really is. It's an extremely important part. Happy employees create happy customers, which create a great product, right? All part of the group.